Hey there, how's it going? Today I think I'm going to be painting a fairy sitting on a mushroom. Here we go with the second coat of white. Now I'm going to come in with a pastel-y pink. Nice spring color. And over the white, it's really vivid. I think I'll cover this in one coat. Alrighty. Okay, now I'm doing some purple here. Probably need a couple coats of this one. It's not covering really good. Okay, let me get find a flesh tone. Here we go. She's got big ears. So far, so good. Okay. Gonna outline these wings. The teal. And give it some definition. Looks good. Okay, I'm going to look through my mist tints here. See if I can find a kind of a light gray color for the mushroom. This is kind of cool, like a light, sort of a light brown. I could take that and mix it with this gray, come up with something. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I'll just take this brown, put it in here, and then add a little gray. And then maybe add a little white too. This is probably too small. I could use part of this yellow tray. Dump it in here. And the yellow will just add to it. See if I can get kind of a cartoony mushroom color. That yellow made it kind of green. Add some more white. And then maybe to counteract the green, I'll add a dab of this pink. See what that does. That looks pretty good. That's good for a mushroom color. After all, it's a cartoon anyway. Mushrooms are usually white, but sometimes they're darker colors too. I'll put a little bit of the detail in, like a shadow for the hands and the face. I'm going to take my dark pink right out of the can, but I want to add some red to it. Actually, that color is pretty dark too. Okay. So I got a kind of a really pastel-y kind of red. cool hairdo. Got to do a second coat of that purple. Or maybe I can find a purple. It's more opaque. Cover right over that. There we go. I found one. That'll cover good. Okay, do a few highlights of the pink on the shoes and the collar and the hair. That about does it. Oh, got a spot here. And next I'll do the black. Okay, I got the Faerie all done, sitting on the toadstool. And here's some of the other characters too. I really love that flower's face. It's so goofy. And then this snail. I've done this snail before. This one I got kind of blendery on though. But it's damn cute. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little video, and I will see you next time. Subscribe and like the video. And if you want to support me and support making more videos, go to my Patreon channel for as low as $1.25 a week. Actually 25 cents a week if you just do the quick tips. But what I recommend is the $5 a month one. That way you can see all my videos. Or if you want some even extra perks, you can go for $10 a month. But anyway, yeah, check out my Patreon channel, and also check out my books, my ebooks. All right, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.